Now, once very close friends have now turned into foes, leading to cracks deepening in the India Bloc alliance. Congress's ace campaigner Rahul Gandhi's entry into the battleground has not only changed the political dynamics of Delhi's poll battle, but has also upset the apple cart of the India alliance. Taking a good dig at the Aam Aadmi Party supremo, Rahul Gandhi said Arvind Kejriwal had promised that he will convert the national capital into Paris. He also said that wherever you see garbage, and there is stench in Delhi's Rithala region as well. Aam Aadmi Party has hit back, accusing Congress and BJP of being long-time allies, as well as claiming that it is the BJP which has now started to defend Rahul Gandhi. Delhi Congress also slammed Arvind Kejriwal for siphoning off 2,000 crore rupees in the Delhi liquor scam, as well as hiding the CAG report on excise scam in the name of saving the nation. Now, this marks the end of the half-hearted alliance that took place between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party during the Lok Sabha elections. Now, what a lot of people are saying is that this alliance never really took off. And while they were unnatural allies to begin with, this fallout could have a ripple effect on the opposition unity.
केजरीवाल जैसी जो आपदा दिल्ली को मिली वो तो कांग्रेस के कारण से मिली, और कांग्रेस ने समर्थन नहीं दिया होता आम आदमी पार्टी को तो आज केजरीवाल दिल्ली में नहीं होते। और अभी 6 महीने पहले तक तो मिलकर इलेक्शन लड़ रहे थे, एक दूसरे के साथ कैंपेन कर रहे थे। ये कन्हैया कुमार के लिए इलेक्शन कैंपेन करने गए थे, चलिए 1 महीना छोड़िए, यार अभी परसों तक तो पंजाब में चंडीगढ़ के अंदर मेयर के इलेक्शन में एक दूसरे के साथ सहयोग कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पर मिलकर इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं मेयर का। तो किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, किसको बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश करें केजरीवाल साहब?
आरोप लगाना अरविंद केजरीवाल की पुरानी आदत है, उनकी एक हैबिट बन चुकी है कि बिना किसी आधार के आरोप लगाना। और इससे साफ जाहिर होता है कि जिस तथाकथित गठबंधन या ठगबंधन की बात करते हैं उसकी वास्तविक स्थिति क्या है कि लोग एक दूसरे से ही चिढ़े हुए हैं। और इस नाते से कभी राहुल गांधी अरविंद केजरीवाल के बारे में कोई बात कहते हैं और कभी केजरीवाल उनकी पोल खोलते हैं, तो दोनों का सच दिल्ली की जनता के सामने आ रहा है।
जिस प्रकार से चाहे आरक्षण के मामले में हो, चाहे अल्पसंख्यक के मामले में हो, चाहे संविधान की बात हो, वो सारी बात उन्होंने खोल कर रख दी। और जो दृष्टिकोण प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की है वही दृष्टिकोण पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल की है। तो दोनों के जो दृष्टिकोण है अलग अलग मुद्दे पे वो एक जैसे हैं।
इस आदमी ने दिल्ली का सत्यानाश किया है, उससे बचाने का है। जो केजरीवाल हमेशा कभी भी सड़क पर नहीं आया किसी भी संवैधानिक चीज़ को बचाने के लिए, उसके खिलाफ कल राहुल जी ने बहुत स्पष्ट किया कि दोनों जो है केवल सपने बेचते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं और मुख्य चीज़ों में कभी सड़क पर नहीं आते हैं। ये एक दूसरे के थैली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं और इनको जब मन करता है जिसके साथ खड़े हो जाते हैं। बहुत बखूबी से कल राहुल जी ने इस बात को स्पष्ट कर दिया कि चाहे केजरीवाल हों चाहे प्रधानमंत्री जी हों, दोनों की पार्टियां दिल्ली के लिए घातक हैं।
Now, Aam Aadmi Party supremo Arvind Kejriwal, in a direct attack, is now accusing the Congress Party of working hand in gloves with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
राहुल जी के बयान के ऊपर मैंने यही कहा कि मैं इस पे टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा। उसका जवाब कांग्रेस ने नहीं दिया, उसका जवाब बीजेपी के एक बड़े नेता ने दिया। तो ये सारे बीजेपी और कांग्रेस मिलके दिल्ली की जनता के खिलाफ और दिल्ली के लोगों के खिलाफ और आम आदमी पार्टी के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। अब इसमें कोई शक नहीं रह गया, कोई गुंजाइश नहीं रह गई है। जो पर्दे के पीछे का गठबंधन था, इस बार वो दिल्ली के चुनाव में पर्दा उठ गया है।
My colleague Ashutosh Mishra is now joining me. Ashutosh, in the Lok Sabha elections in 2024, we had seen Congress Party in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. At that time also, people were pointing fingers and saying that this is an alliance which will not sustain. And that is exactly what we are seeing now. We had seen how the Congress was pretty sleepy in this election till the time Rahul Gandhi did the campaign. And now we are seeing in the rally, Rahul Gandhi pointing fingers not at the BJP, but at the Aam Aadmi Party, and also targeting Aam Aadmi Party supremo Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, Aishwarya, there is a say, वो रिश्ते और थे, वो याराने और थे, वो कहानियां और थी, वो फसाने और थे. वक्त के साथ सब कुछ बदल गया, सब कुछ बीत गया. And that's what you see how it's unfolding in the national capital. There was a time when Arvind Kejriwal campaigned for Congress candidates in the national capital, and several Congress candidates even campaigned for the AAP leaders in Haryana. There was a mutual alliance in Chandigarh Municipal Corporation against the BJP. But things have changed in the assembly elections in the arch rival. And what you see in Delhi is actually nothing what you see in West Bengal, or the situation that you see in Kerala, where you have a larger alliance when it comes to the federal structure, federal subjects. But then you are the arch rival in the state. And when it comes to Congress existential, the Aam Aadmi Party remains a bigger threat in the national capital. And that's why you see most of the time the Congress is taking hardly on Aam Aadmi Party than the BJP. And that also gets an ammunition to target to Aam Aadmi Party to target the Congress. So this was the time if Rahul Gandhi criticizing, targeting the BJP, he also realizes the fact that Aam Aadmi Party remains the major enemy for the Congress in the national capital, because after all, because of the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress could not come back to existence in the national capital, in the assembly where it ruled for more than a decade. And then the ammunition given to the Aam Aadmi Party, that look how the leadership of the Congress and the BJP are working in tandem and they are campaigning. So this is like, ek akela campaign kind of situation gives for the Aam Aadmi Party, whereas the Congress, when it finds who's the major challenge, it has to take on all your arch rival, where in Delhi, the AAP become the bigger threat than the BJP for the Congress when it comes to the assembly elections in the national capital, Aishwarya.
Ashutosh, you cover the Aam Aadmi Party. You have seen how the party has grown over the past decade. What a lot of experts also say is the fact that the vote bank of the Congress has largely shifted to the Aam Aadmi Party. The Congress now trying to make sure that it reminds the people of the golden era that people had seen when Sheila Dikshit was the Chief Minister for close to 15 years. Do you believe going forward, the elections are on the 5th, do you believe going forward we will see the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party taking pot shots at each other?
It will continue. It will, in fact, further escalate. And, the AAP never said that Congress shouldn't be fighting elections. What Aam Aadmi Party, if you see in their perspective, why they're criticizing Congress is that when it comes to the agenda, instead of taking on the BJP, where it has been, more difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party, the AAP Congress leadership is actually taking on Arvind Kejriwal, which is the fact of the matter is that Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party is in power in Delhi, and this is Delhi's election. But in their perspective, they see that the Congress and the BJP is working together. As far as vote shift is concerned, there is a different analysis. So you have to understand, whenever there is an emergence of a third party, it always takes away vote bank of certain parties. So you see the game with Sharad Pawar, you see the game with the Mamata Banerjee, and so is the case with the Aam Aadmi Party. The emergence of third party takes away vote bank of certain percentage. So in Lok Sabha, the BJP gains, in Assembly, the AAP gains so far. Aishwarya.
Thank you, Ashutosh, giving us those details, putting things in perspective. We should see escalation of the war between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party.